Welcome back, guys. Hope you enjoy the show. Like, subscribe, and keep tuned. So, on the Mark IV here, finally, the pipe is back in, or the new pipe is in position. I was mistaken, it wasn't a straight pipe. You can see there's slightly bend in it. But yeah, 2 days work, it's in. And now we need to figure out if that thing, the sender unit for the fuel gauge, is working. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoy the show. Stay tuned. Let's get back to the SS Restoration, the main feature of our show.
I wasn't recording. Wait, go again. I wasn't recording. I wasn't recording. You wait, what? I wasn't recording. Can you go again? I need a comment. Yeah, I think I'm looking at the picture. I'm checking there's no going anywhere. Concentrate on the wheel. Yeah, I'm saying that. That one is better. These wheels are flat. Look at this one, is west. That one is much better, but this wheel is way out. The spokes are right. But yeah, I want to see now the wheel. Kind of. I can't see that one. That one might be quicker. Stop it now. This one is slower, no?
Yeah, and it wobbles more than that.
Now that I'm seeing this as well, yeah, I don't know how they're going to recondition these rims. Okay, this is a very bad one, but there's no way in hell they're going to get these spokes out of here. I can see much bigger problems coming. They are pretty fucked and rusted. Anyway, it's just to show you now that the rim's off. I mean, this is the worst one. Yeah, and these as well. This is one of the better wheels. I hope the spoke guy can get these spokes out when he rebuilds them. Anyway, it is what it is. Okay, so we're talking about the second door now.
So the part that I think needs to happen is this
Cut that
lip
off.
needs to be machined away.
Yes, put a
Do
new one on.
fresh lip on.
Yeah.
This gets extended
Yes, new
to
splice
create the lap that we screw into,
Yes.
and the same on the other side.
Yeah. Okay, then we
And
can
then
reuse
the whole
that.
thing.
How bad is this door compared to the other one?
No, same issues. It's on the ends
Yeah.
where the problems arise. Okay, so then here's the template being made.
Yeah, this baby goes in here then.
Yeah.
For the locks. The only thing is, will the locks still hold in these screw holes? We'll have to use those size
That would
screws or
have to
something.
dial out. So then there's the template that will give me the curve
Yeah,
of this
because
bottom
both of them are a
piece.
little bit different. Yeah.
Yeah, and then here's the template that's going to give me the curve
For that.
for the bottom over
Yeah.
here.
But that's quite a big job to make that piece, eh?
Yes,
Yeah.
that's what's really taking the time,
Yeah,
is to
of
make
course.
this piece.
But that was the
Getting
worst.
These templates in.
Okay, cool.
Because once that's done, you can see here on this piece, if you show from this angle, there we've got material that it abuts
that's good. Yeah,
on
that's cool.
to there.
Yeah.
Here we'll have
That
to
also
maybe
is
do a
fine.
little
Yeah.
bit of work, but it's not too bad. It's really the top on those two sides.
Yeah, and then I've
This-
still got to figure out
this piece
the
that's
felch
missing.
business over here, and these things,
Yeah.
these ones I've ordered. I'm actually going to go past there now and see what they've got. All right, so struggling to fit this door. Going get all new bloody bolts and stuff. And, the trick is now to see how it all fits together. New screws and things, lining up the hinges. And then we've got to clamp it in situ and then screw more of the wood in and everything else. So then try and fit those strikers and see how it fits. And only then we can carry on with the panel beating on the outside. Anyway, there's a little crack we need to weld. Okay, sweet. Okay, doors on. I think this hinge must come in a little bit here.
I think the bottom one needs to come out.
Oh, the bottom one must come out, but that gap's all right. Well, tomorrow you can start filling this, eh?
And those ones we need to close.
No. Those we've got the beading for that, so that's fine. So here we're going to just now clamp it and glue it. Actually, the door can still come out a bit more, but anyway, we'll see. Let's see now. Let's see now. So that's all in. Lock, we had to make a shim there. Don't know if there is another one available or what, but meantime we used wood. Mechanism is in. Now we're going to glue everything. And the rubbers will change things again a little bit as well, won't they?
Yeah.
Huh? Alright, that's cool. All new bolts for it. Right, now we're going to wait for the other side. Okay, I'm going to glue this now.
I think there's no
Yeah, no, I don't know, but this panorama thing doesn't seem to work on this thing.
video.
On the video. It works on pictures, yes. Anyway, we're busy now on this business here to get this back thing in. Welded in, all that lot. Cleaning up here so that this all fits nicely. And then we're going to go into the door. Also, here's the back panel again. It's just filling and getting the gaps right. So, I don't know. Don't know what you mean by panorama. Panorama only seems to work on photos. Anyway, I don't know why we can't get panorama on here. That's a bit weird. Oh, Joel, you're going to get those lines lekker, eh? Nice. Okay. We must get onto the door. So, more prep work on this. It's going to look a lot better. Got to prime all this now. That's looking sexy. That's looking sexy. So, priming that now. Oh, the rear end's done. We just got to spray the outside again. Much better. Filming your rear end here. Yep. Come around here. Peel, nothing to get off spray on it. Better, much better. You're going to spray those catches as well, or just make those black? The catches. Yeah, you missed ya. Oh, build it up. Luckily, we just got load shedding and we timed the compressor so we've got enough air. Spray it all out, Gerald.
I need to turn around that flip.
Just go on top here, still here. No, yeah, come from here. No. Just do some raw spots there. There we go. Soon it's going to be black. On that side as well, then the lip there. There we go. Yeah. Oh, did you make this piece here now as well? Yeah. Oh, brilliant. There's still touching there a little bit, eh? That's much better. We made that piece there now. Hang on. No, pressure's getting low. Let's go over the raws part. No power, and we're spraying without power. And hopefully we've just got enough air to finish priming this. That's cool, man. Just made it. Well done, man. Well done, well done, well done. Put more here, it's going dull here. Then on this corner here. Yeah, right here in the corner. Yeah, just made it. Just made it. Just made it, that's cool. Alright, save the rest to clean the gun now. Yeah, I know, but now we've got to wait for the flippin'... You can't.
It's full.
Yeah, well then you must put some more thinners in it, wait for the powder to come on again at 4, and then we prime the door. Or whatever you have to do still. It's okay, cool. Auto framing now. How is this supposed to work? Maybe this is better, I don't know. Maybe we got it right now. I don't know, we're busy doing the door now, but now it's... I don't get it. Camera failed. Now we're trying to work on Pro video. I don't know what he means by panorama, because it only takes panorama shots, but not panorama videos. Does yours want to work like that now? You're working on this flipping door. But now, okay, now that's all really nice at the back. It's almost ready for paint. We need the other door tomorrow. And then, there we go. There we go. Did you weld that spot in the corner here still, Gerald? Need to weld that, eh? Okay, well, he's a bit of filler. What can we do? Get the bugger straight. But the gaps are good. Alright. Eventually the door is flat. Very nice primer on there. Before the rain comes. Yeah. Build it up nicely, Gerald. You also have to prime inside on the frame, eh? On the frame, you've got to open the door and prime on the frame. But we can do that tomorrow. Yeah, put more on the lid. The lid needs more there at the bottom. There we go. Did you spray the latches inside? Don't let it run. Don't let it run. Leave it. It's cold. Door has to come when we're there. We've still got two low spots there. How much you got left? Spray it out inside. Yeah.
That's it for today, guys. Thank you again for watching to the end. That is very good for the YouTube algorithm. I
until next time, I think we're going to take this guy out for a drive now.